Kailan yung simula na parang feeling nyo, parang ano to parang may magagawa tayo this year. Parang iba tong taon na to. When did you start to feel that season?
Well, for me siguro, it started to kick in after the first round. Kasi nakasweep kami no first eh. And then ito na yung ingay nga na, uy, pag na-sweep nyo, automatic champion. So, at that point, parang we were starting to believe na, uy, something might, good might come out of it. So, yun na nga. But again, as the second round approaches, parang medyo naging mas tough for us. Kasi all teams, parang they treat it as a championship game, every game. Kasi nga, alam nila, pagka hindi kami natalo, outright na, champion na kami. So yun. So, yun siguro. At the end of the first round, medyo, uy, we have a chance. We have a chance.
Yeah, kasi it's funny that you say that na parang medyo nahirapang yung second round. Because for me, my memory, I'm not part of the team, no? Hindi ako nag-UST. Ang sa akin, sa utak ko, ang alam ko, tinambakan nyo ng 30 lahat ng team nun for 2 rounds. Kasi nga, ang lakas-lakas ninyo. Is my memory correct or incorrect?
Yeah, coming into the season, I would agree with you. Kasi, I don't know if that's my early coaching mind at work. Pero, syempre, nagkakalkula ka rin eh. Sunday lang. Graduate na si Johnny Wala na rin si Vic. Si Jun din. Jun Limpot, wala na rin. Eh, chance yata kami Parang ganon. That's how I thought about it. Pero, it wasn't that way. Especially when you have teams gunning for you every single time.